Hello everyone, in my last video we have discussed some application related to your centroid and centroid of the triangle, and there I have teach you how to calculate the centroid of a triangle when 3 points are given. When 3 points are given, how to find out the centroid of the triangle we have done. So today I have taken one more application which is related to your centroid of the triangle only. So let's just go through this question, what they have said. Let's go through this question. So I have taken problem for finding the third vertex. Okay, so many problems are there in your textbook. So let's see the question. Two vertices of triangle are 3 minus 5 and minus 7 4. That means two vertices are given. If its centroid is this 2 minus 1, find the third vertex. You have to find out the third vertex. So in order to understand this problem, let us draw one triangle. Let us draw one triangle ABC. So suppose this is your triangle ABC. Okay. Now two of the vertices given. Let me take this one as A. A how much? 3 minus 5. Then the second vertex is minus 7 4. Your second vertex is minus 7 4. And the centroid is given. Okay, centroid will be somewhere out here in the middle. G. G is the coordinate of centroid. What is the coordinate of centroid? It is 2 minus 1. Coordinate of centroid is given to be 2 minus 1. One of the vertex is not given, C. So they ask you, find the third vertex. So I can assume the third vertex to be x3, y3. C, x3, y3. So your aim is to calculate the value of x3 and y3. So let us come to the problem. Solution, okay? Given points are, you can just write down your given points. Given points are, the first point A, 3 minus 5. Your first point is A, 3 minus 5. Then second point is B, minus 7, 4. That is the second point. Third point, I'll write it down later, okay? Because I have to calculate it. It's not given, the third point. Then G is given, and your G is given to be how much? 2, minus 1. That is the coordinate of the centroid is given. Now, let us see. You have to find out the third vertex. So you start this way. Let the third vertex be, let the third vertex be, you take your third vertex as C, x3, y3. C, x3, y3, that is third vertex. And I have already done the problem related to your centroid. How to find out the coordinate of centroid? We will be using that only. So now use that formula, okay? Coordinate of centroid. Now, coordinate of centroid. Coordinate of centroid, the formula is this way: x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Then it will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. This is how you are going to calculate the coordinate of the centroid. Now you have to identify it. What is x1, what is y1? So this is x1. As you can look here, from the first vertex you will be getting x1, y1, x2, y2. And this is what? This is your centroid. This is your centroid of the triangle. I hope so. This is alright for you. Now let's see. Centroid, coordinate of centroid is already given 2, minus 1. So this is already given to be 2, minus 1. And now you put down the value here. x1 plus x2, 3 plus of minus 7. 3 plus of minus 7 plus x3 divided by 3. Okay, you will be getting this much. Then y1 plus y2 plus y3, minus 5 plus 4 plus y3 divided by 3. Now let us do the simplification. This implies 2 minus 1 is equal to how much? Okay, minus 7 plus 3, it will become minus 4. minus 4 plus x3 by 3. It will become the same. Then minus 5 plus 4. It will become minus 1 plus y3 by 3. Alright, it will become like this after you do the simplification. Now what does this imply? Let us see what does this imply. Let me just do the next line on the top. So what is going to happen next? Let us see. This implies, now see, this coordinate is equal to this. So the component must be equal. Your 2 must be equal to this. Your minus 1 must be equal to this. So this implies your 2. It must be equal to minus 4 plus x3 divided by 3. Okay, your 2 must be equal to the first component. Similarly, your second component is minus 1. Your minus 1 must be equal to what? Minus 1 plus y3. Divided by how much again? 3. Okay, now you do the simplification. Let us do the simplification. 2 means 2 by 1. You multiply. 3 to the 6. 6 equal to minus 4 plus x3. Okay, alright. No problem here. Then next. Minus 1 is minus 1 by 1. Again you do cross multiplication. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 equal to minus 1 plus y3. You got like this. So what does this imply? 6 plus 4 is equal to x3. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to how much? It is equal to your y3. Now you do the next line. Next line, let's see how much you are going to get. You almost got the answer. So let us see. 6 plus 4, 10 is equal to x3. And minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 is equal to y3. So you got your x3, you got your y3. Let us write down the conclusion for this problem. Hence, the coordinate of the third vertex vertex is how much? C x3 y3. So what is your x3? 10. And what is your y3? It is minus 2. So this will be the required answer. Very simple, the problem. It is not that very difficult. Okay, then I will conclude my video here and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.